Hello mga ka-overseas mom. Diet tayo, kunyari. Pretending lang naman to. Cucumber, sweet corn in can, tuna in can, egg, and Japanese mayo. So, this is my dinner. And I put a little bit of salt and black pepper. Kinda yummy. I don't know what kind of diet is this. Just trying because so hungry. We don't have food. But it seems like the taste is good. Yummy. If you notice the cucumber, I just removed the yung buto-buto ba, yung beans niya, sorry. Ay, yung seeds. Then, itong egg, every morning, nagbo-boil ako ng egg. Then, breakfast ko siya. Kaso may excess. So lumalabas, leftover yung egg. Yummy. Galing ko lang sa work. So, feel so hungry. Ito lang yung very easy and quick to prepare. Nilaglag. If bago kayo sa channel ko, sa channel namin, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell button para updated po kayo sa mga videos namin. Ciao! Thank you!